If you don't have enough ARGB headers on your motherboard but still want to connect more RGB components, then don't worry, this ARGB splitter will do all the work for you. So first of all, let's do the unboxing, and if you want the exact same brand, I'll leave the purchase link in the comments section below. Alright, here's our ARGB splitter cable. It comes in white color, and as you can see, we get 3 connector ends for your RGB components and 1 main connector that goes into your RGB header on the motherboard. Now in my case, my motherboard doesn't have an RGB header, so what I did is I used a SATA to RGB header controller. That gives me power and an RGB port using the SATA cable from the power supply. I'll be using this splitter to connect the GPU RGB, CPU bracket RGB, and also my NVMe RGB. So if you have multiple RGB components like me, this splitter can handle all of them easily using these 3 ports. If you already have an RGB header on your motherboard, that's great, just plug it directly into that. But if you don't, you can still make it work with a SATA to RGB controller just like I did. Although honestly, I don't fully recommend it because direct motherboard connection is always safer and more stable. Alright, everything's connected, let's plug in all the cables and power on the PC. And yeah, as you can see, all the RGB components are lighting up perfectly using this splitter. For now, it works well without any issues, so I'll rate it 9 out of 10. If I face any problems in the future, I'll update you guys in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple tech videos like this. See you in the next one.